So that's a pretty big hole up there. You definitely want to get that sealed up. Plus, that's connected to your drip pan up in the attic. And it's dripping. It's okay to see water here, but not over here. Because you have water over here, we got to go up in the attic and take a look at that. Drip pan underneath isn't very visible, but if we do get in there and look, try and get in between that crack, if I can get it to focus right. It's full of water. It's really hard to see, especially with a pan like this, but it is dripping water inside that. Need to call an HVAC guy right now. On the inside of this kitchen, I'm seeing a couple warm spots up on the wall right there. Right in the corner above the refrigerator. Let's go take a look outside. So I've noticed a few spots on this home where the baffles around those vents are actually obstructing some of the vent. So that's limiting the airflow for those vents up into the attic. That would be about right in the area. I'm on the other side of the house though. Yep, this is our kitchen window. You can see up there some of the material that's blocking that soffit. So it's holding the insulation up away from the ceiling, so it's letting the hot air into the home instead of doing what it needs to. I don't think the baffle job when they installed it was very good. Those could be repaired. I'm even seeing a spot over the bedroom. So on the inside of this vent right here is the master bedroom. You can zoom in and see if you can see some of the material that's obstructing that vent. Got little white bird memories all over the solar panel, man. Oh, we've even got some open flashing over here. You can see just bird crap everywhere. Yeah, this flashing's just been bent up. That's exposing everything in the attic right there. Pretty good roof other than the solar panel area and all this bird crap. You can see the mortar capture. It's starting to crack out a little bit. Flat roof down below. Looks like it's been replaced in the last 5 years or so. A little bit of wear and tear to it, but good job installing it. But this bird crap is just ridiculous. DJ. We're in good, man. You can give your information to the buyers. Small job. Nothing big. Go. Hey, buddy. What's your name? Really pretty shy, huh? Too shy to shake hands? You shake? No. Pretty friendly, just shy, huh? Yeah, just shy. What's up? Wake up. Penny.